Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Bet Builder on Bet365 app. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so a Bet Builder allows you to create a same game accumulator, a custom bet combining up to about 12 markets with a single sporting event on football, tennis, basketball and others. You can also use mixed selections like match results, player goals, corners, cards, shots, assists, whatever markets are available for that event. So Bet Builder even lets you combine Bet Builder from multiple events into one large multi-bet as well. So what you need to do is just click onto your game. So if I'm going to choose soccer here, so it's going to get me into the soccer game. So you'll see a Bet Builder here, but I'm in Australia, so it is called Same Game Multi. So it's the same thing as Bet Builder. So just go ahead and click into that Bet Builder and go ahead and start building your bet by clicking into it and then choosing who's going to get most goals, the results, corners, etc., and build that bet up to about 12 single bets in that Bet Builder.